Hey guys, Daddy6 here with Black Fox Knife Works. Welcome to my workshop. Today I'll be showing you our surface grinder attachment prototype. So let's go ahead and get it on. First up is the attachment. Load it into the tooling arm. Next up we'll put on our belt. Using a fairly well used 80 grit belt just to kind of show you guys what's going on. Add a bit of tension. Let's see how this looks. Looking pretty good. Alright. So let's add on the sliding rail. One thing you guys will notice that these are prototype parts. These are 3D printed plastic parts, so a bit wobbly. Everything will be metal, much smoother, much more robust, and it's going to function a lot better. So now we got our sliding rail on. Go ahead and throw some metal on. This piece I've been working on right here. We'll go ahead and put it on a dull gray side so you guys can see it. So to add it, put it on the bed, lock down the magnets, not going anywhere. Alright, so let's adjust this. Let's fire it up, start grinding. Going for a deeper cut. Really see the hose power behind it. Alright, I'm going to leave it on the bed here because it's going to be really hot. I'm just going to undo one magnet. And I'm going to split this piece in two because, like I said, it's printed. You kind of see where we took a deeper cut and then I backed it off a bit just to help it through the surface grinder. But nice even surface, even with these flimsy plastic parts. So again, really pleased with it. Of course, these magnets, great holding power. So I'm going to go ahead and drop this off over there. I'll show you how to clean them. Alright, so now that we've got the grinder, the part off the wheel, and then I can turn off the magnetic power, wipe it clean, all of the magnetic dust comes off. Really cool stuff. Alright, we'll do a bit more grinding so you guys can see it in action. This on the carriage. You can see again a nice, clean, even surface. We were taking off. Nice, clean, even surface. When we were taking that huge cut, you can see this plastic blister on there because of the heat of the steel. Again, these pieces will be metal, so shouldn't have to worry about that. And again, cleanability of these magnets, really simple, really easy. Drop the piece off, grab a towel, wipe it down. And then of course, when you get done, every time, just recommend wiping down the rails. That way it doesn't build up and get into your bushings in here, which are easily replaceable, but they will wear over time with metal. Of course, anything with metal, abrasives, wears. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in and checking out the service grinder. We've got a couple on pre-order, should be shipping about mid to late March when all the parts get in here. You can check out some of our other videos and some of the details of how the prototype and the actual production unit will be a bit different. But looking like a great attachment. Really excited to get this out there. Alright, thanks.